Okay, guys. Good evening. I promised I was gonna make a video explaining what I saw that made me took that trade that I sent in the morning. Okay, here's the breakdown. Now this is a daily time frame. Okay, the market was actually going on a bullish run. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, like that until it got to this point. It formed the higher high, and formed the higher low, then formed the lower high, lower low. At this point, it started tracing back. Now, my strategy does not matter the direction of the trend. I just focus on cashing liquidity, and then I buy either the retracement or I buy the opportunity I see, or sell depending on the opportunity I see. So this is my markup points. Are my points of interest on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, this is the 4-hour time frame. So you see my points of interest. And if I go down, I fine tune them on the 1-hour time frame. So you see, these are my point of interest on the 1-hour time frame. I like to sell when it gets here, and that was what I did that day. And I buy when it was here. So I expect the market to come back here before I buy again. Demand and supply traders actually use this to mark up their trades, okay? So for today, I came to the chart and I marked my high and the low of the previous day, which was yesterday. So if I go to the daily time frame, let me zoom in. If I zoom in, you see the high and low of yesterday. Okay, in one of my strategies, the ones I used today, if any of the sides get taken out, the high or the low get taken out, I wait for the market to trade into a particular zone. You'll see this green zone. I wanted it to get here, but it still got to a valid zone, and then I sell from there. Now, this is what happened. I went to the 15 minutes time frame. Now, this is the 15 minutes time frame. Give me a minute. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. So when this happened, what I did was when the high of the day was taken out, I was waiting for it to come to this, my green zone. But I noticed it might not come. So I went back. Someone said, if you want to trade right, look left. So I looked left and I saw this fair value gap. So I drew that green line. So I drew this green line. So I brought it to this point. So that's where I drew that green line, which is a 15-minute fair value gap. So, and I saw, sorry, this video is getting long. I didn't expect it to be this long. So immediately I saw that 15 minutes fair value gap, and I saw a bearish engulfing candle. It took out liquidity. My strategy, we call it sweep. So I have the X sweep market structure shift. So just look at this. There's a sweep of liquidity here, and then it broke. Okay, no, I come down to 5 minutes where I take my trade. So in the 5 minutes candle, you see now that there's a sweep of liquidity here. After that sweep, it gave me this bearish candle, this shooting grave candle, and then it gave me a huge this candle down, and it left a fair value gap. So that's where I sent the trade. If you saw the trade in the morning, that's why I sent the trade. I entered from the fair value gap to buy, to take out this liquidity that was resting underneath. So if you come down, you see there's liquidity here, there's liquidity here. So all these liquidities will be taken out in a short period. So that's the buy that I took, the sell I mean that I took, and it came down, it tapped me in and then sold, took profit, it retraced and then came back and sold off in the New York session. Now if you come to 15 minutes, you will see the same thing exactly played out. It took a high, then broke structure, took a high, broke structure, then came back, retest the other block, and then sold off. So even if you missed this one, you would cash this 15 minutes and then sold off, and you'll still be in profit. So this is the simple trading strategy that I use. Like I said, if you are interested, you can DM me. I can explain more how I trade. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. If you still want me to make more videos like this, you can let me know. Thank you.